Cool, so we're here on site. This is Keaton. A lot of people know him as Muscle from the Diesel Brothers, the Discovery Channel show. We've got 4 zones of audio on the inside of the house. He's got a pretty cool backyard, and he's gonna have landscape speakers around the deck and sort of a gazebo area, and there's a pool out here. We're gonna do a whole landscape kind of entertainment center outside, but all of it has to be retrofit to a closet right behind me. So the guys have been working on it today, pulling the wires back through the attic. I'll kind of give you a tour on what we're doing. We were doing a parade of home, and we got a message on Instagram from the Muscle. He's getting ready to throw a big party on the 4th of July. It's kind of a unique application. We needed a solution where people, any of his friends or family that come over, could quickly take their phone, pick their favorite song or their favorite YouTube video, and quickly send it out to the speakers without having to download an app. TruAudio's new product called VSSL. If you haven't seen it, you should check it out. Cool thing is it comes with AirPlay support and Chromecast support. So whether you're an iPhone user or a Droid user, you can quickly just pick up your favorite song and stream it out to the speakers, control the volume without having to mess around at all with downloading a third-party app. We were on a strict deadline and we needed some help. And luckily, TruAudio heard about the project, reached out to us and offered to help. They overnighted gear from across the country to us so that we could get it done in time for the 4th of July. In fact, I think there's a good chance that their VP Chase is gonna be out here today. Andy and the crew are already there. We're gonna go check in with them.
If I would be fully functional, I need a Diet Coke. 2 times, because it's a Saturday. 2 speakers are going to go out here. They're surface mount ones. We're going to have to pull them through the attic and tie them in and run them back to that same closet. And then the subwoofer for this is going to go in that corner over there.
So basically we've got speakers coming inside the house and outside the house. The trick was trying to get it from this closet to those locations. So we had to go up in the attic and see what it looked like. From here we'll distribute out to the kitchen, the family room, the master bedroom and bath, and then also out through the edges where we're taking the outside speakers.
How many zones here again?
4 inside.
4 inside.
There's 4 zones, 2, 4, 6, and 1.
We'll marry the bus outs to the outdoor zones, and then one will feed the DSP, and then one will feed the crown amplifier to the outside. These are stressing me out so bad. So in this scenario, Keaton currently has 6 zones in his house between the inside and the outside. I believe it's 6 landscape speakers and 2 subs. We wanted to use VSSL here at Keaton's for a number of different reasons. We know Keaton likes to entertain and have friends over. So it's designed so that, you know, customers go to the gym or go to work and they're living inside of Pandora or Spotify or YouTube. When they get home, they've always had to jump into some other third party app like Control4 or Sonos or something like that. We wanted to give customers the ability to get home and continue to live in Spotify and actually stream their music right from the Spotify app or from Pandora. Because it's a Google certified product, the Google Assistant out of the box will work with it. You can actually use it to Google Home to drive VSSL. You can tell it to play audio in the various zones you have to at the house.
So Chase had, he's hiding now, but Chase had to call tech support to get this up and running. So we have to leave this in the video. It's too good. He's definitely not the wizard. So we're doing landscape speakers out here by the pool, and I wanted to share this with you really fast. What people are used to is they do sort of the on-wall speakers on the side of the house or under deck speakers, which is what we're usually used to, or the rock speakers. And what that does is it creates a lot of volume, it fills up the space, it even goes into the neighbor's yard. Landscape speakers, what's cool about them is that right here by the speaker, I can hear it really, really well. So when they're in the pool swimming, it's gonna be phenomenal. But 10, 15 feet away, they're barely gonna hear it. So it's not gonna disturb the neighbors, and they can have it as loud as they need it when they're out here on the deck enjoying the pool. We even have a subwoofer, we'll tell you about that in a second. And the other cool thing is this all runs as part of that vessel system. So whenever Keaton's buddies are here, they don't have to open up a new app. They just take their phone, whatever they're already listening to, Spotify, Pandora, Tidal, they're just gonna Chromecast it out, and they're gonna instantly have the music in this area. So we're super excited about this.
There you go.
Okay, so one last thing on the landscape speakers. This is really cool. This is actually a subwoofer. A lot of landscape companies have the subterranean sub that you've got to bury into the ground, but for an application like this, we're able to set it right on the decking. It's gonna help really fill out the music here in this area. So super cool stuff from the guys at TruAudio.
Yeah, just open up indoor, and then see that little arrow, that thing right there, hit that, and then go patio north, click that. Mark volume down.
Awesome.
You're good. Super easy to use.
That's so cool. So cool. I just like how simple it is too. But anytime I have to Bluetooth into a stereo, I will throw my phone against the wall. That's awesome.
All right, so we're just wrapping up here. It's been an awesome couple of days. We've had a ton of fun with the guys from H&H Custom Decks and Timbers. They've put together this phenomenal decking out here that you're seeing. Chase and the guys from TruAudio came in overnight, brought us some extra gear to make sure we had everything we had. Chase was actually here helping us install it. Even the dog likes the speakers. But that wraps it up. It's been a ton of fun. Big shout out again to TruAudio for all their help and support. Keaton, thanks for having us. And then be sure to like and share, leave comments below. Hey, hey, hey.